channel, Susan here. I am super excited to welcome you to be part of my amazing tour at Homearama events at Cincinnati, Ohio 2 years ago. I just realized to put this moment to share you all. Homearama is a home tour event or housing shows sometimes branded as Parade of Homes, Street of Dreams, Tour of Homes, or Homearama are building industry showcases of homes, typically new builds held in similar regions throughout the United States. The reason we attend this event is to see a model home merchandising strategy to allow pictures or sell by space and design. In some locals, the events are presented by the local Home Builders Association or Building Industry Association. The event showcases homes, both new constructions and remodeled homes. Homes generally include single-family homes, condominiums, duplexes, and/or townhomes, sometimes entire new developments or streets. Within existing developments or developed for such events, homes are located in multiple neighborhoods in a city. The events is required an admission ticket to view these beautiful homes. If you guys are enjoy watching this modern home design, please like and subscribe and see you in my next video. Thank you.